Realme might be young, but it has already tried to reinvent itself a couple of times. The Realme U1 broke ground in India last May and its bang for the buck has been unbeaten ever since. The Realme 2 added a notch and trimmed the screen bezels at the expense of performance, while the Realme 2 Pro improved the notch and brought back the speed. Then came the cheapest yet Realme C1, and now we have the U1 touted as first of many selfie masters. Realme is launching phones faster than any other startup we've seen so far, and yet it seems to be working quite well for the maker. So, color us intrigued with this new Realme U1. Let's see where it fits within the rich Realme portfolio we have to describe the U1 in Realme terms. It's the Realme 2 Pro with a better selfie camera and a little bit faster chip, though it has switched back to the Realme 2 main camera with the darker aperture. Everything else is Realme 2 Pro through and through. Realme has improved a lot on its phones over the past 6 months, but one thing has always remained a constant: the design. It's your typical slab of plastic, but the maker did spice those with unique paint jobs. And the Realme U1 does not break the pattern. The Realme U1 is absolutely identical to the Realme 2 Pro, and the fact that the 2 Pro cases fit pretty well confirms it. It has the same 6.31080p display with a dewdrop-like notch at the top, and the whole thing is covered by a mostly flat piece of Gorilla Glass 3 with a subtle 2.5D finish around the edge. Realme U1, just like the 2 Pro, has impressively thin bezels and chin. It relies solely on virtual navigation. There are no hardware keys of any kind at the front. The frame is all plastic and is curved towards the sides. It has a pleasant matte finish, which contrary to our expectations didn't improve the grip at all. The frame felt slippery all the time, but once we started using the U1 with the supplied case, those issues disappeared.